Today we will discuss how to make this white barrel. From the video, the bucket is white and opaque. The top of the barrel is a small cylindrical hole. The wall of the barrel is thick and strong. When we squeeze it by hand, how to make the special shape of the barrel. The production method: first make a mold according to the product drawing provided by the customer, and then fix the mold on the injection molding machine. From the video, we use 560 on a ton injection molding machine. The PP particles are sucked into the injection molding machine through a straw. The PP particles are heated and melted during the transportation to the mold, and then injected into the mold. With the full injection of the mold runner, the mold is after opening, the product is made into shape, the product is removed, the waste fixed on the mold is removed, and the product is simply trimmed and packaged.